World biggest machines that are on another level. This is a world of robots, machines, and other many things that has made our life more easy and convenient. There is no field of life where we are not using machines. Even a handheld mobile is also a machine. We find our life impossible without machines. Machines are working everywhere. In the market's construction areas, machines have become a major and most important part of our lives. We have seen many machines, but we do not know about their functionality. These machines have made our lives challenging. These are objects of our curiosity. Today, we will talk about amazing machines that has made the world revolutionized. Number 1. SAM 100. A New York company has made this machine. This machine put bricks on a wall 4 times faster than a man. It is used in construction areas and works faster and better. It is a semi-automated robot. The semi-automated Mason SAM has a very high cost, up to $500,000. It has a deal to construct many buildings in the construction areas for 8 years. It has an arm that can pick up the bricks and keep it on the wall and keep it on a desired location. It can lay bricks up to 800 to 1200 in a single day, while a man can only lift up to 300 to 500 bricks a day. Number 2. OWI Hydraulic Arm Edge Kit. The hydraulic arm edge uses hydraulic power to control a 6-axis arm and gripper. It does not have any battery or external power source. Using hydraulic technology, you can command your own hydraulic arm. You can activate the suction apparatus by removing the gripper. It includes gripper that opens to 1.89 inches, a wrist that rotates on 180 degrees, wrist mobility 98 degrees, elbow that ranges up to 44 degrees, base which can rotate on 270 degrees, and shoulder motion that move on 45 degrees. It is used in searing of cars and brakes. Moreover, hydraulic lifts and jacks for servicing cars. Due to its amazing uses in daily life, you should watch it and buy it. Number 3. Tunnel Boring Machine. Tunnel boring machine are used as another way of drilling and blasting methods. It is used for hand mining in the soil and rocks. Tunnel boring machine is also called mole, which is used to dig the tunnels with a round area. TBS can also be used for micro-tunneling. They are used to make holes in the soil and rocks despite of how much it is harder. The diameter of tunnel matters a lot. It can range from 1 meter to 19.25 meters. The tunnels having a diameter less than 1 meter are digged through horizontal directional drilling method. The TBS machine doesn't spoil and disturb the surrounding lands by making a smooth tunnel wall. Tunnel boring machine makes much efficient tunnel and takes less time in completing hole work than drilling and other methods. TBMs are costly and it becomes difficult to transport it to distant places. Number 4. Road Zipper. The road zipper is a heavy machine that is used to carry concrete lane dividers like Jersey barriers that are helpful to disperse the traffic during rush hours. The lanes that are created by road zippers are known as zipper lanes. They are also used for construction works in some areas. Due to its use, vehicles' collision during traffic flow can be reduced, as it makes the traffic flowing in opposite lanes safe. But its drawback is that the width of lane can be reduced and they become narrow, which can also create difficulty in smooth traffic flow. Number 5. Panther. Airport crash tenders are used to control any fire incidents in area of airport. They have large capacity of water and firefighting foam with high capacity pumps and water cannons. They cover the area around airport and also deliver firefighting media to large distances. Some of them have elevated extinguishing arms that is used to raise the water cannon to the height of 10 to 20 meters. Some strengthened nozzles are also present with them that are known as snozzle, that is penetrating nozzle on the fire truck that is used for probing the airplane's fuselage and can extinguish fire inside a cabin and any area of cargo. Number 6. The Large Hadron Collider. It is the mighty one and the giant-like largest machine humans have ever made. It was built by European Organization for Nuclear Research for the purpose of atomic research. At least 10,000 scientists collaborated with each other to build this giant. Furthermore, many laboratories and students from different universities also took part in its manufacturing because it was not the work of a single person. But for scientists, it is still a small one, as it is not enough to be used for atomic research on large scale. They have a plan to build an upgraded version of this machine that would be 4 times bigger than this, that will fulfill their expectations. Number 7. Bucket Wheel Excavator. This giant is built by Germany in 1995. It is as much huge that its weight is approximately 14,061 tons, and it is 96 meters tall and 225 meters long, which makes it difficult to turn. This heavy machine uses in mining. Its main purpose is digging at a larger scale. It is among the Guinness World Records, and it is among the heaviest machines that are ever constructed. But it is difficult to transport it to far away places due to its weight. Number 8. The Belaz 75710. Oh great, it is a monster that will amaze you. It contains of 2 engines that are so powerful, and their power is equal to 17 pickup trucks. It is really powerful and huge machine. It is constructed in Belarus. Its only task is to move debris and earth and transfer it to faraway places. It is astonishing work of engineering that can save our time and also provide us dirt-free environment. But what about the money? Hope so you have enough time to think about its heavy cost. Number 9. The Stratolaunch. Have you ever traveled in 6-engine aircraft? The Stratolaunch has 6 engines, but it is not a passenger aircraft. It was disclosed by Paul Allen, who is Microsoft's co-founder. The wings of this giant plane are 117 meters long, and its weight is 580 tons. That makes it look like monster. Don't be so crazy to travel in it, because it is specifically built for launching rocket into the space from air, which is really a heavy duty. It's striking. Number 10. The Prelude. It is considered the world's largest ship. It is just like a monster. She was took into the water to check it in South Korea for the first time. It has a floating gas facility. She is 487 meters long, and it would be 45 meters taller than the state that it is laid side by side. She has a weight of 600,000 tons. That is really big. It has big and vast space and works amazingly. As the weight and length indicates, she is much bigger than the other ships in size. Due to its size and space, it is used for trading and shipping.